Good morning, children. How are you, my dear children? I hope all are fine by God grace. My name is N. Kalpana, working as Mass CRT in KGBVS Raivaram from Visakhapatnam district. My dear children, today we have to learn about the new topic simple equations in class 7 third chapter. My dear children, in this chapter, which items you are covered? First, let us see. First one, introduction. Second one, simple equations. Third one, solving simple equations. Fourth one, applications of simple equations. These four topics covered in this chapter, those are called content items. My dear children, let us see introduction part. In that, I want to make a triangle. To make a triangle, how many matchsticks you need, ma? 3. Yes, 3 matchsticks you need. Let us see. I prepared that. 3 matchsticks to prepared one triangle. Number of matchsticks you want to prepare one triangle? 3 matchsticks. Now, I want to prepare 2 triangles. If you want to prepare 2 triangles, how many matchsticks do you want, ma? Yes, my dear children, 6 matchsticks. 1 triangle for 3 matchsticks. 2 triangle for 6 matchsticks. Now, to make 3 triangles, how many matchsticks do you need? How many matchsticks do you need, ma? Yes, 1 triangle for 3, 2 triangle for 6, 3 triangles for, we want 9 matchsticks. How will you get? Observe this slide clearly, my dear children. See, I prepared 1 triangle, used 3 matchsticks. I prepared 2 triangles. I used how many matchsticks? See, 6 matchsticks. Again, I prepared 3 triangles. How many matchsticks I used? 9 matchsticks. See, what do you comes which table? We remember one table in this. See, 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. Here 3 is every triangle. Common thing is what? 3. 3 is not changed. But number of triangles can be changed. Using this, I will write one thing. Let us see, ma. Number of matchsticks are required to prepare a triangle is equals to 3 into the number of triangles to be formed. Now, I want to prepare 7 triangles. Then, how many matchsticks we require to prepare 7 triangles? Let us see. 1 triangle for 3 matchsticks. So, how many matchsticks we want for 7 triangles? 3 into 7 is equals to 27 matchsticks. We want to prepare 7 triangles. Do you observe these above concepts, ma? 1 triangle for 3 matchsticks. 3 ones are 3. 2 triangles for 6 matchsticks. 3 twos are 6. 3 triangles for 9 matchsticks. 3 threes are 9. Like that only 7 triangles for how many matchsticks you need? 21. Like that 3 sevens are 21. Dear children, if I want to prepare x number of triangles, then how many matchsticks we need, ma? Please tell me. Yes, my dear children, that is very good. 3 into x matchsticks. Here x indicates what, ma? X indicates number of triangles to be formed. X indicates what? Number of triangles to be formed. That's why number of matchsticks required is equals to 3 into x is equals to 3x. In x may be any number, like see in pattern. First one you take. We want to prepare one triangle, one you take. I want to prepare two triangles, two take. Next 3 triangles for 3. Next 4 triangles for 4. So in next place in value can be changed. Then in this 3 is not changed. That's why that is called constant, my dear children. Because of 3 is fixed value. 3 is fixed value. Fixed value in mathematical language constant. In this, the value of x changes. We call it as variable. Call it as what, ma? Variable. What is variable? Variable means can changes. Variable means can changes. It vary different values. In this variable represent is, we use letters. Those are small case of English alphabet. For example, M, N, X, B, Q, L, whatever it may be you are taken. We denote that is variable. A variable is a letter used to stand for a number. Variable is letter, but that variable, the letter indicates with the number. Which number do you want in place of variable? That value you can substitute in that variable's place. Okay, my dear children. This 3x is known as expression. 3x is known as what, ma? Expression. What type of expression it is? It is algebraic expression. What expression, ma? That is algebraic expression. Why did you call this is algebraic expression? What do you have in that expression? Come on, in that what do you have? 3 you have, x we have. Already we learned what is 3. 3 is means constant. 3 is means what, ma? Constant. X means variable. X means what, ma? Variable. So combination of variables and constants, that is called algebraic expression. What is that, ma? That is algebraic expression. algebraic expression అంటే ఏంటో తెలుసా మై డియర్ చిల్డ్రన్? ఏంటంటే మనకి చూడండి అక్కడ ఏముంది, 3 ఇంటూ ఎక్స్, 3x ఉంది. దాంట్లో ఏమేమి ఉన్నాయి? 3 అనే నెంబర్ ఉంది, ఎక్స్ అనే ఆల్ఫాబెట్ ఉంది. మన మ్యాథమెటికల్ లాంగ్వేజ్లో 3 అంటే కాన్స్టెంట్ అని, ఎక్స్ అంటే వేరియబుల్ అని అంటాం. సో ఆ రెండింటిని కాంబినేషనే మనం ఏమంటామంటే ఆల్జీబ్రిక్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్. వాట్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ ఇజ్ ఇట్ కాల్డ్? ఆల్జీబ్రిక్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్. ఓకే, నౌ we learn what is constant. Constant means it is fixed value. It is what, ma? Fixed value. A value that does not change. ఆ వాల్యూ అనేది ఎప్పటికీ మనం మార్చలేము. కాన్స్టెంట్ అంటే అది ఫిక్స్ చేసి ఉంటుంది. 3 అంటే 3 ఎప్పుడైనా ఎవరైనా 3గానే రాస్తాం. 4 అంటే 4ఏ రాస్తాం. దాన్ని మనం ఏం చేయలేమమ్మా? మార్చలేము కాబట్టే దాన్ని ఏమంటామంటే మనం స్థిరము, స్థిర సంఖ్య అంటారు. ఏమంటారు దానమ్మా? స్థిర సంఖ్య అంటారు. కెన్ యూ అండర్స్టాండ్ కాన్స్టెంట్, మా? వాట్ ఈజ్ కాన్స్టెంట్? ఇట్ ఈజ్ ఏ ఫిక్స్డ్ వాల్యూ. ఏ వాల్యూ దట్ డస్ నాట్ చేంజ్. We want to change also, that number can't be changed. That number is called constant. Okay, ma? Next, one more term, what do you have? Variable. What do you have, ma? Variable. Variable means a variable is a quantity that may change. The variable is a quantity that may change. Variable means we can change. Variable means you can change within the context of mathematical problems. Within the context of what ma? Mathematical problems. What it means? In above pattern, in next place in I want to prepare one triangle, that's why write one. One more girl want to two triangles. That girl write x place in 2. Another girl take. That girl want to prepare three triangles. That girl write 3. So x place in one person write one number. సో యాజ్ దే విష్, వాళ్ళకి ఎలా కావాలో ఎన్ని కావాలో దాని ప్రకారం ఈ ఎక్స్ ప్లేస్లో వాల్యూ అనేది మనం వేసుకుంటున్నాం. కాబట్టి దాన్ని ఏమంటారంటే వాట్ మా వేరియబుల్. వేరియబుల్ మీన్స్ వ్యారీ, ఇట్ క్యాన్ చేంజ్ ద వాల్యూ. వేరియబుల్ మీన్స్ ఇట్ క్యాన్ చేంజ్ ద వాల్యూ ఇన్ అవర్ కన్వీనియన్స్. ఇట్ క్యాన్ చేంజ్ ద వాల్యూ in our convenience in the context of mathematical problems. In the context of what ma? Mathematical problems. మన లెక్క చేయడానికి అనువుగా మార్చుకునే వీలున్న వాటిని వేరియబుల్స్ అంటారు. లెక్క చేయడానికి వీలుగా మార్చుకునే వీలున్న వాటిని ఏమంటారంటే అమ్మా వేరియబుల్స్ అంటారు. ఓకే, కెన్ యూ అండర్స్టాండ్ మై డియర్ చిల్డ్రన్ వాట్ ఈజ్ కాన్స్టెంట్, what is variable? Constant means it's simply fixed value. Variable means it can simply vary. It can simply vary. Variable means it can take in different values in that variable's place. Okay ma. Next, algebraic expression. What is ma? Algebraic expression. What is algebraic expression, my dear children? It is a mathematical phrase combining numbers and variables using mathematical operations. Using what ma? Mathematical operations. You are taken two things. What are these? One is number and another one is variable. These two combination making a algebraic expression with the help of mathematical operations. With the help of what ma? Mathematical operations. Algebraic expression అంటే ఏంటో తెలుసా మై డియర్ చిల్డ్రన్? Algebraic expression అంటే ఏంటంటే నెంబర్స్ వేరియబుల్స్ని కలుపుతూ మ్యాథమెటికల్ ఆపరేషన్స్ అంటే ఏంటి? ప్లస్ మైనస్ ఇంటూ వీటి సహాయంతో వేరియబుల్స్ని నెంబర్స్ని కలిపి మనము ఒక ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ తయారు చేస్తాం. దాన్నే ఆల్జీబ్రిక్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ అంటారు. దాన్ని ఏమంటారమ్మా? ఆల్జీబ్రిక్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్. ఓకే మై డియర్ చిల్డ్రన్, ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్జీబ్రిక్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్. సీ సమ్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్. 5x plus 3, 2x minus 6, 5z, 6y, 5y minus c, so and so. So many like this you can write. In this, see once one expression I took. What is that expression? 5x plus 3. The total is called terms. How many terms do you have? How many terms do you have in that expression, my dear children? See, 3 is one term, 5x is another term. How will you say, madam? These are two terms. These terms divided with plus or minus. Divided with plus or minus. Plus here two expressions divided with plus, so they are converted into terms. How many terms that is? Two terms. 5x is one term, 3 is another term. Okay, in this 5x in x is already you know clearly. X is a variable. Then 5 is coefficient of x. 5 is called what ma? Coefficient of x. Why you say that is x multiplying with 5? That is called coefficient of x. Variable multiplying with any number, that is a coefficient of that variable, you can say. Now 3 is constant. 3 is what ma? Constant. Can you understand, children? What is term? What is quotient? What is constant? Once look above examples. 5x plus 3. In this expression, two terms you have. Next, 2x minus 6. Here also two terms. 2x is one term, 6 is another term. Next, 5z. Here only one term you have. Next, 6y. Here also one term. In between plus and minus not have. That's why that is total is one term. Next, 5y minus 3. In that again how many terms you have ma? Two terms. How many terms you have, my dear children? Two terms. Okay. Already learned about constants, variables and algebraic expression. Let us see the situation ma. The age of Anu's father is 2 years less than the 3 times the present age of Anu. What is the Anu's age if her father's age is 40? Here Anu age is, we don't know Anu age. In this question given Anu age ma? One see the question. No, Anu age is not given. So in this question age of Anu is unknown value. ఈ క్వశ్చన్లో అను ఏజ్ ఇవ్వలేదు కాబట్టి అక్కడ అను ఏజ్ అనేది మనకి తెలియని విలువ అనమాట. అను ఏజ్ అనేది మనకు తెలియనిది అని అర్థం. నౌ లెట్ us కన్సిడర్ అను ఏజ్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు x years. Why did you say x years? We don't know what is the age of Anu at present. That's why let us take Anu's age is x years. Now go to question again. But father's age is 2 years less than the 3 times of Anu's age. Father's age what ma? 3 times of Anu's age. Anu's age what is given? X. Anu's age what you are taken? X. So Anu's age is 3 times of father. 3 times means x into 3, 3x. Next, again what is given? 2 years less than. 2 years less than means minus 2 years. 2. What is the father says? Is equals to 3x minus 2. Why did you write 3x minus 2 means Anu says is x years. Then what is the father says ma? Father says is 2 years less than 3 times of Anu says. So 3 times of Anu says means 3 into x. 2 years less than means minus 2. Now what is the age of Anu's father ma? 3x minus 2. That is according to our given situation. Now see the question again. If her father says is, what is the father says ma? 40. Given father says is 40 years, our assumption is equals to 3x minus 2. This is father says, this is also father says. So we can write like this. 3x minus 2 is equals to 40. 3x minus 2 is equals to 40. So this according to our situation, you got what ma? 3x minus 2 is equals to 40. This is called equation. Two expressions between equals to symbol you have, that is called equation. What are two expressions in this equation? See, 3x minus 2, one expression. 40 is another expression. This what type of expressions these are? 3x minus 2 is algebraic expression. 3x minus 2 is what ma? Algebraic expression. Why did you call? This is algebraic expression. Already you learnt. Okay, already you learned. In this expression, two things you have. What are those? Variable and constant. Variable and constant, which expression in you have, that is called the algebraic expression. So this is all. 3x minus 2 is algebraic expression. Now 40, what type of expression this is? Only number you have, so that is called numerical expression. That is called what ma? Numerical expression. 3x minus 2 is algebraic expression, 40 is numerical expression. These two expressions between equals to symbol you have, that's why this is called equation. This is called what ma? Equation. This is which type of equation? This is which type of equation? Simple equation. This is what ma? Simple equation. Why did you call this is simple equation? Why did you call this is simple equation? X, that is what? Variable. X is variable power in any number not have means there one you have. Variable power in variable power in 1 you have, that is called simple equation. That is called what ma? Simple equation. Today our discussing topic is what ma? Simple equation. What is our discussing topic? Simple equations. Definition of simple equation: an equation in one variable with highest power is known as simple equation. What is the definition of simple equation ma? An equation, one variable. In equation in only one variable you have. In equation in only one variable you have. Next, with highest power 1 is known as simple equation. Variable power 1 you have, that is called simple equation. What is variable in first example? Y. Y power in any number not have. So then what you have here? 1 you have. So it satisfies this definition. Y power any number is not there means 1 you have. So variable power, only one variable you have, power in 1 you have. So this is called simple equation. Next, observe second equation. Here m you have. M is one variable. Here same variable, here also left hand side also same variable. So m power in only 1 you have. So this is also simple equation. Okay my dear children, can you understand? In exercise 3.1, first question, write the equations of the following mathematical statements. In that first question, a number x is decreased by 5 is 14. What is the question mark? A number x decreased by 5 is equals to what? 14. Number is equals to x. That x decreased by 5. Decreased means minus. Decreased by what ma? 5. So x minus 5 is equals to 14. 14. So a number x decreased by 5 is equals to 14 means what? X minus 5 is equals to 14. Minus, why should I write? Decreased is given, that's why I write minus. Now second question. 8 times of y plus 3 is minus 5. What is the question mark? 8 times of y plus 3 is minus 5. See, 8 times of y means 8 into y plus 3 is so equals to minus 5. 8 into y means 8y plus 3 equals to minus 5. In that question, 8 times of y plus 3 means 8y plus 3 is minus 5 means equals to minus 5. This is the answer. Next, fifth question. Sum of angles 2x degrees comma x minus 30 degrees is a right angle. Sum of angles means how many angles are given here? 2 angles. One is 2x plus another is x minus 30 degrees. Sum of these two angles is equals to right angle. Right angle means how many degrees ma? 90 degrees. Right angle is nothing but 90 degrees. So is equals to 90 degrees. Now 2x write as it is. Plus into x plus x plus into minus minus 30 degrees is equals to 90 degrees. Here 2x are there, here 1x are there. Both are plus. So add these two. 2x plus x. 2x plus x, 3x. 2 plus 1, 3. X degrees you have, write x degrees. Minus 30 degrees is equals to 90 degrees. In question what ma? Sum of angles is a right angle. Sum of angles is a right angle is nothing but 3x degrees minus 30 degrees is equals to 90 degrees. That is the required answer. The question in Roman number 1. The perimeter of a square of side A is 14 meters. Square you have, that square one side is equals to A. Side is equals to A meters. Then square in all sides are equal. Square in all sides are equal. In square how many sides you have ma? 4 sides. Perimeter of a square means sum of 4 sides is equals to the perimeter of a square. So one side is equals to A. How many sides you have? 4 sides. That's why 4 into A. 4A is 14. 4A is equals to 14. In question what ma? The perimeter of a square of side A is 14. Then 4A is equals to 14. Yes ma? Second Roman. Write the following equations in statement form. First one, statements are given, write in equation form. Here equations are given, write in statement form. What is the equation? M minus 5 equals to 12. M means one number. Minus means decreased by 5 is 12. So what is the statement? A number m decreased by 5 is 12. In this m నుంచి చూడండి ఒకసారి, m నుంచి 5ని కట్ చేస్తే 12 వస్తుందట. సో కట్ చేయడం అంటే మైనస్ చేయడం అంటే డిక్రీజ్డ్. సో ఏ నెంబర్ m, దట్ నెంబర్ ఈజ్ m. m నుంచి 5ని కట్ చేస్తున్నాడు. సో So a number m decreased, minus means decreased by 5 is equals to 12, is 12. That is the statement. Okay, my dear children. Next, second one. 2 minus 3y equals to 11. 2 minus 3y equals to 11. In this, see, y multiplying with 3. So 3 times of y is subtracted. This 3y is subtracted from which one? 2. This 3y is subtracted from 2 is 11. Is what ma? 11. ఒకసారి చూడండి, వైతో 3ని మల్టిప్లై చేసి దాన్ని దేంట్లోంచి సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేశాడు? 2 నుంచి సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేశాడు. సో సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తే మనకి ఎంత వచ్చింది? 11 వచ్చింది. దట్స్ వై వాట్ విల్ యూ రైట్ నౌ? 3 times of y is subtracted from 2 is 11. Can you understand ma? Yes. Once again I will say, see ma. Here y multiplying with 3. That's why what will you write? 3 times of y is subtracted. Why did I write subtracted? This 3y subtracted from 2. 3y subtracted from 2. That's why I write subtracted from 2 is. What will you get? Then you will subtract it. You will get 11. Then what you get? 3 times of y is subtracted from 2. You get what? 11. So is 11. Okay ma, can you understand my dear children? Yes. Third one. Check whether the value given in the brackets is a solution to the given equation or not. Check whether the value given in the brackets, one value is given in the brackets, that is the solution of given equation or not. Now check it. First question. In the third Roman, first one. 5n minus 7 equals to 23. 5n minus 7 is equals to 23. In brackets, what is given ma? N value is given. What is given? N value is given. So remaining everything are constant values. Only n is variable. E n place in which number will you substitute? 6. That is question. Now solution, see ma. When n is equals to 6. When n is equals to what is given? 6. Now see LHS. LHS means equals to left hand side. Equals to left side you have, that is called LHS, left hand side. Equals to right side you have, that is called RHS. So now LHS now you are taken. What is LHS? 5n minus 7. What is LHS ma? 5n minus 7. In 5 into n place in what will you substitute? 6. N place in will you substitute what ma? 6 minus 7. Now 5 6 are 30 minus 7. 30 before which symbol do you have? Plus. Any symbol not having means then plus you have. 7 before, minus you have. Now what will you do? We do the subtraction. We do the subtraction. 30 minus 7. How much you get? 23. How much you get? 23. 23. After do the subtraction, which symbol will you write? Big number before which symbol do you have? Mention that symbol after do the subtraction. So 30 minus 7 is equals to 23. So 30 is the big number. So 23 before which symbol you get? Plus symbol you get. LHS is equals to what you got ma? 23. RHS what is given? RHS means is equals to right hand side. Right hand side is equals to after which one is you have, that is. So RHS is also 23. LHS is 23. RHS is 23. So both are equal. Therefore LHS is equals to RHS. So n is equals to 6 is a solution. N is equals to 6 is a solution. Why did you say n is equals to 6 is a solution? n is equals to substitute in given equation, then we got LHS is equals to RHS. That's why n is equals to 6 is a solution of given equation. Got ma? Yes. Third Roman in fourth question. What is the question ma? 2 plus 3 into m minus 1 equals to 5. In brackets, m is equals to minus 2. M place in which value you can substitute? Minus 2. Now do the solution. When m is equals to minus 2, it means m where you have in that place you can substitute minus 2. Now take LHS. Left hand side is equals to left hand side, which thing is having, that is called LHS. LHS means left hand side. What is LHS? 2 plus 3 into m minus 1. So 2, that is constant, write as it is, plus 3, that is also constant, write as it is, in bracket, open bracket. M place in which value you substitute? Minus 2. M place in right, minus 2. Next, minus 1 as it is, write as it is. Bracket close. Now ma, 2 plus 3 brackets minus 2 minus 1. 2 minus you have. So do the addition. Symbol minus will comes. Okay ma. 2 plus 1. What 2 plus 1? 3. Which symbol will you write? Minus. 2 minus are there? No. 2 minuses you have. Do the addition, but symbol minus will comes. Okay my dear. Now 2 plus 3 into minus 3. 3 into minus 3. Now 2 write as it is. Plus into minus. Minus. 3 3s are 9. 2 minus 9. 1 plus 1 minus you have. And what to do ma? We do subtraction. 9 minus 2, 7. After do the subtraction, big number before which symbol do you have mentioned that symbol? Which is the big number? 2 and 9. 9 is the big number. 9 before which symbol? Minus you have, write minus. Then what you got? LHS is minus 7. LHS is minus 7. But RHS is equals to what? 5. RHS means right hand side is equals to right side, which is having, that is called RHS, that is right hand side. So RHS is equals to 5. But LHS you got what? Minus 7. So both are not equal. Here LHS is not equals to RHS. So m equals to minus 2 is not a solution. Why? Because ఎందుకంటే LHS and RHS both are నాట్ ఈక్వల్. రెండు కూడా సమానంగా రాలేదు. LHS minus 7 వస్తే RHS 5 వచ్చింది. కాబట్టి m is equals to minus 2 అనేది సొల్యూషన్ కాదు. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. సాల్వ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ యూజింగ్ ట్రయల్ అండ్ ఎర్రర్ మెథడ్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద క్వశ్చన్ మా? సాల్వ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ అంటే ఇచ్చిన ఈక్వేషన్స్ని యూజింగ్ ట్రయల్ అండ్ ఎర్రర్ మెథడ్. ట్రయల్ అండ్ ఎర్రర్ మెథడ్లో ఇచ్చిన ఈక్వేషన్స్ని సాల్వ్ చేయమంటున్నాడు. ట్రయల్ అండ్ ఎర్రర్ మెథడ్ మీన్స్ one నెంబర్. ఫస్ట్ టేక్ one నెంబర్, లెట్ చెక్ అవుట్ LHS is equals to not or is equals to RHS or not. Next take another number. Up to which number? Which number satisfies the given equation up to you take 1 values in x place. That is called the trial and error method. Up to which one ma? LHS is equals to RHS. When did you get In the time up to you can do the solution. That is called the trial and error method. Seema, what is the question? 3x, what is the equation? That is correct. 3x minus 7 is equals to 5. 3x minus 7 is equals to 5. In this question, 3, 7, 5 are constant values. In that, which value we don't know in this? X value we don't know. So, write the table like here. Seema, X value we don't know. Take one box in X value. Next, LHS you write. LHS is equals to what? 3x minus 7. Next, RHS. RHS always having what? Every number you get only 5 is there. So, write RHS is equals to 5. Last box in right, LHS is equals to RHS. Is it correct or not? Check out. Then up to you get S, you will do this sum again and again. That is called trial and error method. Now first I will take x place in 0. X place in what ma? 0. X place in right 0. 3 into x place in 0. So 3 into 0 minus 7. 3 zeros are 0 minus 7 write as it is. 0 minus 7, 0 plus anything, 0 minus anything, which one is add and subtract, that one you also you get. So 0 minus 7 is equals to minus 7. LHS is equals to what you got ma? Minus 7. Here RHS is equals to how much? 5. So LHS is not equals to RHS. LHS, RHS not both are same. That's why write no. Next, 0 is not a solution of given equation. Then 0 after 1. You take x place in 1. Now 3 into x place in 1 you write minus 7. 3 ones are 3 minus 7. Now 1 plus 1 minus you have. Again what will you do? You do the subtraction. Then after did subtraction, big number before which symbol do you have? Mention that symbol. In this 3 minus 7 means 4. Which is the big number in this? Minus 7. Which is the big number? Is 7. 7 before which symbol do you have? Minus. So mention minus. So LHS what you got? Minus 4. RHS what? 5. Here also LHS is not equals to RHS. LHS minus 4, RHS 5. Both are not equal. Both are not same. That's why this is also no. This is also not a solution of given equation. Next one after you took 2. 3 into x place in 2 minus 7. 3 2s are 6 minus 7. Again 1 plus 1 minus you have, do the subtraction. After did the subtraction, big number before which symbol do you have? Mention that symbol. 7 minus 6 or 6 minus 7, that is equals to 1. Which is the big number? 7 is the big number. So 7 before minus you have, write minus. So LHS is equals to what? Minus 1. But RHS is equals to 5. Here also again both are not equal. LHS and RHS are not same. That's why what happens? X is equals to 2 also not a solution of given equation. Now take 3. X place in take what? 3. 3 into 3 minus 7. 3 3s are 9 minus 7. Now 1 plus 1 minus you have. What will you do? Do the subtraction. After do the subtraction, big number before which symbol do you have? Mention that symbol. 9 minus 7, that is 2. Which is the big number? 9 is big number. 9 before which symbol do we have? Plus you have. So you get plus 2. Now LHS is equals to 2. RHS is equals to 5. Here also same. LHS is not equals to RHS. LHS is not same to RHS. So this is also no. X is not yes. X is equals to 3 is also not a solution of given equation. Now next number what? 4. X place in which value we take? 4. 3 into x place in right 4. 3 into 4 minus 7. 3 4s are 12 minus 7. 12 minus 7 is equals to how much? 5. 1 plus 1 minus you have. Again do the subtraction. 12 minus 7 is equals to 5. In this 2, 12 is big number. So 12 before which symbol do we have? Plus symbol. So after did the subtraction, you write 5. Then LHS is 5. Here RHS also 5. Here both are equal. Now LHS is equals to RHS. So this is S. Which value substitute x place you get this equation is satisfies. X place in 4 substitute given equation is satisfies. Then what happens? 4 is the solution of given equation. Now for x is equals to 4, LHS is equals to RHS. Then what will you say? X is the solution of given equation. Okay ma? Can you understand trial and error method? అంటే క్లియర్గా చెప్పాలంటే మీకు పిల్లలు ట్రయల్ అండ్ ఎర్రర్ మెథడ్ అంటే ఒక్కొక్క ఎక్స్ ప్లేస్లో ఒక్కొక్క వాల్యూని సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్ళాలి. వెళ్ళిన తర్వాత ఎక్కడైతే మనకి LHS ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు RHS వస్తుందో అక్కడతో ఆ లెక్క అయిపోయినట్టు. ఎందుకంటే సొల్యూషన్ వచ్చేసింది కదా మనకి. 2 LHS RHS ఒకటే వచ్చేసాయి కాబట్టి అదే మనకి ఎక్కడైతే LHS RHS ఈక్వల్ టు అయిందో అదే సొల్యూషన్ ఆఫ్ గివెన్ ఈక్వేషన్ అవుతుంది. అర్థమైందా? దీన్ని ఏమంటారంటే ట్రయల్ అండ్ ఎర్రర్ మెథడ్ అని అంటారు. ఓకేనా అమ్మా? ఓకే. రిమైనింగ్ సమ్స్ యూ విల్ డూ ద హోంవర్క్ మా. సమ్ సమ్స్ ఆర్ ఐ లెఫ్ట్. those sums write in homeworks. Okay my dear children, I hope you understood today's concepts. Okay ma? Thank you my dear children. Stay safe and stay